This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. Cattle market started the day, kind of on firm footing, but lost ground pretty much instantly. Again, it's kind of the same thing with the grain market. We saw the breakdown in communication between the U.S. and North Korea, which leads us to wonder, is it going to break down? Our communication's going to break down with China and trade as well. We'll have to find out more next week when Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross is in China negotiating those things with their vice minister. Now, as far as the fundamentals go, here in the States, we have a cattle on feed report tomorrow, which will be very interesting considering it's during trading hours. Typically, we get these reports after the close and we aren't able to trade it until Monday. We'll see the market digest this information as is. Now, on the cash side, we haven't gotten a whole lot of developments. We've been hearing some 109s, 110s, but nothing substantial. So that's going to be something to keep a close eye on as well going into the weekend. And on the technical side of things, right on the low end of the recent range is where looks like we might be heading towards the end of the day here. 104, a break and close below that with some bearish news, I think opens the door to some accelerated selling pressure and a potential run towards 101. Now, as far as the feeder cattle are concerned, 145 to 145.50 is a brick wall. This represents a 200-day moving average, as well as the 50% retracement from the February highs to the April lows. We weren't able to get back above there. Saw the market retreat. Now we're looking for a test of 143. A break and close back below 143, I think, encourages sellers to step back in this market. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hogs. Lean hogs been very choppy, forming a little bit of a wedge, higher lows and higher highs. Really no room here to go anywhere. We need to see some sort of fundamental news to give us that breakout or breakdown. Potentially, we see demand pick up and give us that breakout. But right now, just kind of treading water, sitting on our hands, waiting for things to develop. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.